Okay, for assignment 2-3.3, we already did a lot of this in class on Wednesday, but we did not look at the back page. So I just kind of want to look at one of those to make sure you guys know how to do these. Okay? So number 7 says you want to reflect the triangle across line x equals 2. So you go to x equals 2. That, and you do these one step at a time. So it says and then, but don't worry about that right now. We're going to do this first step first. Okay? So if we reflect it here, this point is staying right where it's at because it's on the line of reflection. This point goes 1, 2, 1, 2, right there. Okay? So I'm going to label these A, B, C, and that's also going to be A prime. This is B prime. Okay, and then C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is C prime right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and draw that triangle. This reflection here of the original triangle. Okay, so then I've done the first step. Okay, check that off. Now I'm going to do the next step, changing colors just to make it a little bit easier to see. And now I'm going to reflect it across the line x equals -1. So -1 is this line right here. Okay. And so I can see that the C is on there, so it's also C double prime. And then A prime right here, and that's also A. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That'll be A double prime. B 1, 1, and that's going to be B double prime. So then I'm going to make that triangle. So I've done the second step. And the third step says, what other series of transformations could you use to achieve the same results? So the question is, how could I go from A to A double prime, skipping A prime? Is there, or I could, get in the middle. Is there a way to get from there to there? Well, I can see that I could have just went 1, 2, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. Let's write that down. We're going to go 6 left. Okay, let's check that with B to B double prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's working. Let's try from C to C double prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is working. So we could have done 6 to the left. And what is that called when we just slide over? It's called a translation. So we could have done a translation, right? And how do we write that? So remember, there's a couple different ways to write it, but we have to remember that left is x. Left and right is x. So we want to take x and minus 6. Minus 6, because we're going left, and left is negative. Look at this. If you go this way, you're getting to the negative numbers. It's getting smaller. So we're going to be minusing the 6. Did we go up or down at all? No. So that is just y. It's just there. Okay? If you're struggling at all with reflections, check out the video that I did on 2-3.2 for more help on the reflections. And then you just need to work on writing the translations.